Good Thursday! Good Thursday! When I was checking out vintage cookware print ads on Google Images, I came across a white and red porcelain enameled double boiler. And in that ad, there was a recipe for Fiesta Scrambled eggs. It's a 1948 print ad. This is a very simple recipe. It's essentially just chives and pimentos. I couldn't find the pimentos I wanted. They did have a jar of tiny chopped pimentos, but they were too tiny. And we'll be using our Visions double boiler, which is going to be tricky because I think Visions is better for making sauces or melting cheese, because when these get hot, they stay hot. What I'm also going to do, which isn't mentioned in the recipe, is add a little butter. You gotta have some butter. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. This needs to be on an English muffin. I'm going to put some on an English muffin. We'll take a bite. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's good on the English muffin. Microwave bacon. Look for my video. Best microwave bacon. I like my scrambled eggs soft. Some people like them well done. I think my father would have loved these. He liked adding cottage cheese to his eggs to make them soft. I wouldn't want to cook them more though, because then it'd be rubbery. Hey, you know what I'm going to say? Don't talk with your mouth full. Thanks for watching.